learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And all month long, we're teaching you to ask someone to go out to go somewhere. 你想去 Do you want to? 你想去哪里吗？你想去吗？
想去吗？
想去吗？ That means do you want to go? And the answer is yes or no. 好啊。
好啊。
好啊 or 不想。
没想。
没想。So where should we go today? Well, it's the end of summer, so maybe we should use this last chance to go to the beach and go swimming. 我们去游泳好了。
好啊。
因为已经来到暑假，
再不游来不及了。
对，夏天的最后的尾端了。All right, let's take Alice to swimming. OK, 我来问她，你想去游泳吗？
想去游水吗？
想去游水吗？游水就是游水呢，就是游泳。
那海陆腔游水。
游水 is a different dialect for swimming. 所以你的答案是
好啊。
哎呦，
我没懂想去。
好啊，我没懂想去。
我也很想去。
哦，真的吗？准备好你的 bikini 了吗？
想太多啦。
All right, Alice's answer is not only yes, but I've always wanted to go. 我也一直很想去的意思啦，有点那种感觉，对不对？好 ，Let's take you to the beach. 我们去海边。
沿来去海船。
沿来去海船。沿来去好像沿路去的感觉。
沿路开车去。
沿路去海船，海船应该就是海边了嘛。
对。
那沿来去是什么？
沿来去就是我们去。
哦，是哦。Even though it sounds like let's take the route, but it really means let's all go to the seaside or to the beach. 海边。
海船。
海船 That's how you say the beach. 那其实有的时候还是会怕下雨。
对，
虽然还是可以去，可是就比较扫兴一点了。所以我们来希望不会下雨 ，OK? Let's hope it won't rain.
希望唔會落雨。
希望唔會落雨。落雨，落雨。
下雨的意思。
That means rain, OK? So 希望 that means I hope 不要下雨。唔會落雨。It's time to review all these vocabulary. 游泳 swimming.
游水。
游水 and then the beach 海邊。
海船。
海船 and raining 下雨。
落雨。
落雨 It's all about asking people to go somewhere. 你想去嗎？
想去嗎？
想去嗎？ Do you want to go? 好啊。我自己回答了，跟想。Okay, that means yes and no, I don't want to. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.